Namaste. Today marks a very important day in the history of India. It's India's Independence Day. And what's interesting is that we are at a very similar spot in the history of our country as in the year 1905. Because it was in 1905 that India launched its first movement against the British called the Swadeshi movement. It was aimed at removing the British from power and improving the economic conditions in India by following the principles of Swadeshi. And right now, we are embarking on a similar movement in modern India called the Atmanirbhar Bharat, which aims at promoting local products and businesses, taking them to a global stage. Not only does it help our national economy, but also gives Indian talent the exposure and opportunities that they've always deserved. Today not only celebrates India's freedom from the British rule, but also marks the beginning of a new era of indigenous technology, a revolutionary technology that will transform India at an unimaginable pace. Yes, we are talking about the future of computers, and this future is holographic. Ajna Lens. Ajna Lens builds the next generation of holographic computers, also known as augmented and mixed reality smart glasses. And we are proud to say that we are the pioneers of this technology in India. We started in November 2014 from a small room at IIT Bombay, and today, Ajna Lens caters to the most prestigious defense organizations in India, including the Indian Army, Indian Navy, the DRDO, and the Ministry of Defense. And while we take immense pride in serving the nation, we will not be talking about defense today. We are here to talk about how we aim to democratize such a powerful technology and give it to millions of people. People like our engineers, sales executives, product designers, architects, doctors, but most importantly, students. Students who will shape the future of our country. But before we showcase the product, let's hear it from our founders about their vision, how they started the company, and where they see this technology heading.
So when we started Ajna Lens, we started with the vision to have a positive impact on human life. Back then when we started in 2014 inside an IIT Bombay room, we did not know how we will have this impact. So we started looking at various tools we as human beings have used. We recognized very quickly that the tool that had the highest impact on human life was computers. Right from your mainframes to desktops to laptops to mobile phone, where we are doing a lot of our computing, had a huge impact on human life. Right from your communication to your medicine to every aspect of human life, computers had a huge impact on them.
So how did you come up with the idea of Ajna Lens?
जो डिजिटल दुनिया है वो एकदम अलग है. वो 2D है, सीमित है, फ्लैट स्क्रीन है. मगर अगर हमारी रियल दुनिया देखें तो कम्प्लीटली 3D है, इमर्सिव है, जहां हम इंटरैक्ट कर सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं, महसूस कर सकते हैं. सो जब तक डिजिटल दुनिया और वर्चुअल जिसको बोलते हैं हम, वो रियल वर्ल्ड के साथ एक नहीं हो जाती, आज भी हम आगे नहीं जा सकते उस टेक्नोलॉजी में. सो उसको आगे ले जाने के लिए हमने कुछ ऐसा कंप्यूटर बनाने का सोचा जिसको हम ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी, मिक्स्ड रियलिटी की हेल्प से एज ए होलोग्राफिक कंप्यूटर जो वेयरेबल हो और इजीली हमारी डे टू डे लाइफ में पहनने के काम आए, और उसे हम पहनकर रियल वर्ल्ड के साथ डिजिटल वर्ल्ड को मिक्स कर सकते हैं, और वो अब 2D ना रहकर 3D रहेगा.
So what is the change that Ajna Lens will bring about in our day-to-day lives, and how do you see it impacting the future of humanity?
Think about the communication. Right now you might be watching me on a 2D screen, but if you have this augmented reality glasses, I could be holographically present in your room talking to you one-on-one. This is the kind of power that augmented reality, mixed reality and virtual reality can have on human lives. We firmly believe that the next form of computing is augmented reality, mixed reality and virtual reality. Powered with artificial intelligence, it is going to drastically transform the world for better.
But from an India perspective, what can we look forward to?
India has a huge pool of hardworking talent, but we are lacking with the tool or platform by which we can reach to the highest potential of ourselves. Ajna Lens is one of that platform. We are giving the most advanced tool to the Indian talent, a holographic computer. To transform India from developing nation to developed nation, we are joining hands with the visionary leaders across defense, enterprises, education and training. During this process, we are also creating indirect and direct employment opportunity for India, and also boosting the economy under Make in India initiative.
The COVID-19 pandemic has induced one of the world's largest at-scale behavioral change in the history of human existence. Hundreds of millions of businesses and workers around the globe have shifted their operations and mindsets rapidly and at the same time. We are already seeing the societal and economic impact as well as indications of how it will reshape every aspect of our lives. Leading companies are now focusing on new ways to train their people, serve clients, and grow their businesses. But there were some companies which made large strides by implementing Industry 4.0 solutions prior to COVID-19, and they found themselves better positioned to respond to the crisis. Extended reality, or XR, which is an umbrella term for augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality, emerged to slash costs, remove distance barriers, optimize productivity, enhance training, and reduce errors across almost every industry. Let's take a look at the leading companies which have already adopted XR. BAE, the multinational aerospace and defense company, piloted operator and assembly work instructions to improve the speed and accuracy of assembly procedures. Using guided step-by-step work instructions, first-line workers were able to assemble battery cells in 50% the time that they used to. The company saw a 10 times reduction in cost towards developing training material and were able to train new people with a 30 to 40% higher efficiency. Telecom leader KPN cut field technician costs by deploying AR headsets. They saw an 11% reduction in overall costs for service teams and 17% decrease in work error rates, while achieving a better quality in repairs. Even the automobile giant Ford adopted AR for their design process. They claim that it has helped them reduce the design inspection time drastically. What earlier took weeks or maybe even months is now getting done in minutes with the help of AR. On the flip side, companies that hadn't implemented Industry 4.0 standards prior to the COVID-19 pandemic have had a harsh wake-up call. Unsurprisingly, given the unique circumstances of the pandemic, agility and flexibility in operations have emerged as top strategic priorities. Similarly, technology that enables remote working and collaboration tops the list of priority for Industry 4.0 use cases, with technology to aid collaboration and visibility across the end-to-end supply chain being the second. Automotive industries are dealing with ineffective monitoring, delays, and rework due to errors. Manufacturing industries find it difficult to maintain standard operating procedures with no procedural on-the-job guidance. While construction industries are still finding ways to reduce spoilage, rework, and waste, field service is affected due to issues of unplanned downtime, data-driven diagnosis, and paper-based manual training. Aerospace industries deal with physical resource constraints to test multiple designs and training. And in the tourism industry especially, forts and museums suffer from lack of traffic due to travel restrictions, as well as their inability to connect with the new generation. But here's some food for thought. Problems are not stop signs. They are guidelines for a brighter future. And with that vision, our next generation XR enterprise solutions are going to help you set New India's first enterprise-grade AR glasses, Ajna X. Ajna X is the result of extreme craftsmanship and is designed for professionals who make zero compromises in quality. It adds a new dimension to the way we work. It marks the beginning of a new era in holographic display, taking display quality right to the very edge. You can easily see and feel the difference with true-to-life detail. It offers 3 times more nits than our nearest competition, making it the ideal choice for professionals who desire exceptional holographic quality. Ajna Lens offers you the industry-leading field of view of 50 degrees to go limitless in your work. Say goodbye to multiple tabs in your browser. You can effortlessly multitask by simultaneously opening multiple windows, browser tabs, sticky notes, 3D holograms, and anything else you need to enhance your productivity. Ajna Lens gives you the freedom to interact with the devices you already have. Work from anywhere by pairing your Bluetooth keyboard and mouse with the glasses, or you can just extend the screen of your laptop by using the USB-C cable. One thing you would think about is, What's the point of these amazing features if you cannot use it for long hours? While designing this masterpiece, our engineers focused on making it extremely lightweight and distributing the weight effectively to provide the comfort you desire. Ajna Lens aren't just ordinary smart glasses, but your companion for all your professional needs. The glasses are ultra slim, foldable, and even pocketable. A complete immersive experience doesn't come without the sound. And Ajna Lens provides top-notch audio, which brings a powerful sense of realism to the listening experience. This, combined with the dual microphones, Ajna Lens allows you to have seamless conversations with your colleagues and clients, completely hands-free, while performing other tasks. The glasses are equipped with state-of-the-art 3DOF IMU sensors to track your head movements and provide you with the important information right where you're looking. With the intelligent ambient light sensor, the glasses understand your surroundings and automatically adjust brightness based on how dark or how bright the room is. 5G enabled, powerful inbuilt camera, high-definition video capture, hand gestures, intuitive user interface, smart proximity sensors to prevent overusage of battery, and compatible with high-end smartphones and laptops. Let's spend a couple of minutes to understand industry use cases.
Speed and agility are at the center of any growing business today. And it's with speed that a business needs to innovate and adapt to the latest technologies in order to stay ahead of the curve. Presenting Ajna Suite, a user-friendly interface that allows managers to not only create these easy drag-and-drop guides, but also build multi-layered interactions on the program to help troubleshoot or track and fix any errors without any human interaction. Ajna Suite is a modern-day, state-of-the-art AR-based tool to help businesses simplify seemingly complex tasks, be it training, servicing, maintenance, or repairs. The technology reduces the training time and cost by providing an augmented step-by-step guide that moves with the employees when they are performing tasks. This lets them focus and perform tasks with a highly reduced possibility of any human errors, thereby resulting in higher efficiency, better speed, and increased revenues over a period of time. Businesses today rely on technology more than ever, be it inventory management or technical support. And especially when it comes to learning and understanding best practices, it allows them to do so with greater speed and efficiency. But what happens when there are unprecedented situations that need an expert's intervention or opinion? Ajna Suite enables one to bring in the experts and have them to weigh in on any problem, regardless of their physical location. Companies can now bring in their experts remotely, saving on traveling time and money. Not just that, they can have the experts work alongside their many teams with an interface to see what exactly the technicians are looking at and provide them with the best possible solution, which reduces operational downtime and hence cuts losses. Making the modern workplace smarter and more efficient with remote assistance, Ajna Suite also helps conduct inspections and audits real-time. For businesses which involve creativity, teamwork and collaboration are key to their growth. A lot more so when the business involves designing spaces. Ajna Suite gives you the ability to imagine and visualize your designs in 3D while collaborating with other team members. Not just with local teams, but with teams across departments in any part of the world. Ajna Suite gives you and your team the freedom to contribute new ideas, bring in additional team members virtually in the form of avatars, make any iterations to the design, and even make immersive presentations to clients without having to create physical design structures. With Ajna Suite in your arsenal, your teams can operate and grow at an unimaginable pace, driving cost efficiencies for your business and limitless possibilities for your clients.
We believe that it is our collective responsibility to build India as a hub for futuristic technologies and abundant opportunities. A country where the best minds in the world would want to come and work. And building this future starts with the actions we take today. Ajna Lens invites all businesses to join this fourth industrial revolution and unlock new possibilities with augmented reality. We invite you to transform your organization into a futuristic hub that attracts the best minds and plays a leading role in shaping the future of your industry. With the exceptional combination of Ajna Lens hardware and the powerful XR software Ajna Suite, you are all set to bring the transformation you desire. Come, join this revolution. It begins here and it begins now. Namaste.